Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I've been using the Galaxy S25 Ultra for about 72 hours now. At the taping of this video, it's probably about 72 hours I've been using it, and I really want to give y'all like my first impressions, my first thoughts about the device. I want to have a friendly discussion with everyone. There are some things I want to talk about and go over because this phone has been talked about a lot lately, and there's some things that I even said about it when it first came out that I didn't think it could be phone of the year. Have I changed my thoughts? Stay tuned, because right now this phone is pretty well too. But let's get into it. All right, the first thing I want to talk about is let's get the controversy out the way. Yes, the pen is missing Bluetooth functionality. Is it a big deal? It's not, y'all. It's really not a big deal. People just want to jump on it, get some clout, get some views on videos. It is not that big of a deal. Yes, they took it away. I understand Samsung taking things away. I understand that. Also, we need to start treating these phones like this is the only phone that someone can have, or what I mean is that stop looking at it as an upgrade from the S24 Ultra and look at it as that it's his own phone. Samsung, if you look at their events, they never mention from one phone to the other one like, oh, this is an upgrade from the S24 Ultra, or this is an upgrade from the previous model. They bring out and they talk about the S25 Ultra, and that's how we really should look at it, because it is his own phone. Yes, is it very close to the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Yes. Now, if you have the S24 Ultra, should you upgrade? Hands down right now, I'm gonna say this, even at 72 hours, probably not. The only time you want to upgrade is if you are a tech junkie like ourselves, like all of us reviewers are, and you want the latest and greatest, and you don't mind spending some money, then go ahead and upgrade and spend your money. But if you're just a regular consumer and you bought the S24 Ultra and you think that's the greatest phone, I wouldn't upgrade. It's not that big of a difference to upgrade to the S25 Ultra, and it's just up to you if you want to or not. For me, if I was just a regular consumer, no, I probably would stay with my S24 Ultra. But this phone, that doesn't take away from the S25 Ultra at all, because when you look at this phone as a S25 Ultra and what it brings to the table as a cell phone on its own market and own stance, is it has everything that you look for in a flagship. It is a Samsung flagship from top to bottom. It has the top specs in there, and it does everything pretty well. So let's get into some of the things that I really enjoy on it. And the first thing is this beautiful 6.9 inch Quad HD display with the up to 120 hertz refresh rate. Look at the colors. And talk about getting bright during the day. Man, it is really bright during the day, especially in this Texas sun here. Even though it's February, look at it. It says 73 degrees. And it's at 7 o'clock at night in February in Texas. So it gets bright around here. It still gets hot in February, believe it or not. And this screen is beautiful. It is a Samsung panel. Battery life has been pretty good. I probably can get a day and a half. Now, could they upgrade the battery size? Yes. 6,000 milliamp hour battery, 5,000. It's been the same way for that for many years. But the battery life with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset has been really good. The performance on here, I edited a video the other day and rendered it, and the speeds were amazing compared to other phones like the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. This Snapdragon 8 Elite processor is processing. That alone, from say the S24 Ultra with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, this Elite processor here is, they've made a great improvement with these processors this year. I mean, even on my OnePlus 13, it's a great processor on there. The build, I like the build as far as the corners are being more rounded, because when I hold it, it's not poking into your hand like that. The only thing I do wish, because I got kind of used to, I hate bringing up the OnePlus so much, is that this is still a big boy phone. It still feels hefty, even in my big hands. and I just wish that they would have made it a little bit thinner there, but I know they have the S Pen in there and everything. But I do like how they curved off the corners a little bit, made it more rounded. It's not as pokey when you're holding it in your hand like this. It is still a big phone though. I love the build. I love the matte finish backs. I love that the titanium size on there. I love how it's not shiny like other phones either. And the camera cutouts, I don't know, someone went on crazy on the internet because, you know, someone pulled these off. I don't know what to say about that, but there's my rings. They still on there. I'm not going to try to pull them off right now. So overall, the build quality is great. Battery life has been good. The cameras with the Snapdragon 8 Elite and some of the Samsung AI and technology in here has been really good. Makes the pictures look really good so far. And I can't wait for more updates. Look at that. Ooh. Now that might not show up on my phone so well. Might blow it up. Let's see. Maybe I should include some of the photos in there, but shout out to the Mustang. I might add some photos at the end of this, and we can look at the cameras too. The front cameras seem really good also on here. The One UI 7.0, they have came a long way from, you know, TouchWiz, and the One UI is great. The AI, I'm not into the AI yet, but the more and more I'm gonna get into it, grow from it. Again, this has only been 72 hours, so I'm just giving you like a first impressions. But overall, Samsung, when you look at it as it is, S25 Ultra, they made a home run. It is a great phone so far. Does it have its little perks? If you compare it to the S24 Ultra, you know, is it an upgrade, blah, blah, blah. Again, when you look at the upgrade part of it, watch their thing. They never say upgrade. The only time we talk about upgrades is us consumers. When you go to your carrier, they say upgrade your phone. They never say that in their videos. So I don't take it as an upgrade. It's a Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's the new version of the Galaxy phone. And right now, it's a solid phone. For what you get, for the price, if you have a trade-in, it's a great phone. Could it come in cheaper without trade-ins? Probably so, but it has a lot of different features. I still will compare these two phones together because right now, the bar has been set with both of these companies and they both came out swinging. So, all right, so let's wrap up this video. Yes, I'm enjoying it. It's only been 72 hours. Will my mood change in a week or two, 2 weeks, a month? You never know. Stay tuned to the channel. I still have to do a gaming review. I'm working on a camera test. There's other videos I'm working on, more case videos coming out soon. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.